Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and informational purposes only. I cannot guarantee you will make money nor will have the same experience as mine in this video. I'm just showing you different websites, apps, and methods that have the potential of making money. I'm not also a financial advisor nor expert in such thing, so make sure you always do your own research first.
What's up mga tol? Welcome back sa channel ko. Usapang Plant vs Undead tayo. PvP tsaka PvE. Ngayong araw na to mga tol, kukumpletuhin na natin yung mga plant natin para sa paglipat natin sa factory chain, ma-cloning lahat ng mga plant natin before October 20.
Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. Somewhere by the Emerald Sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change, journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come and fly, come and